Everyone, welcome to TechTuber Excel tutorials. This is video number 1 of our brand new Excel mastery playlist. In this series, I am going to take you from absolute beginner to Excel power user with super simple, clear and practical lessons. Today we are starting with the very first step that unlocks all the advanced Excel features, including the macros, VBA, automation, and that is how to enable the developer tab. So if you ever opened the Excel and wondered where is the developer tab, and if you want to start recording macros, building automations, writing VBA, then you are in the right place. So let's start our journey. Make sure you like the video, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss the upcoming lessons. So let's begin. So to enable the developer tab, I will show two procedures. First, go to the file and click at the bottom, there is options. Here you can see here is the customize ribbon button, and in the main tab section you see the developer section is unchecked. So you have to check this and click OK. The developer tab will be enabled. Let's show you another quick procedure. So it is our main tab. You can right click anywhere in the blank section and click customize this ribbon. You will came in the same place. So just check this and click OK and see the developer tab is enabled. From the next video we will start recording macros and deep dive in the VBA world. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video.